Welcome back. In the last video, we saw how we can use Swagger Code Generator tooljar on our local to generate API stubs for us. But before moving forward to finally integrate this in our microservice, I would like to first give you a small overview of API Mustache templating engine. Mustache as a templating engine, sorry. So internally, Swagger Code Generator uses API Mustache to create stubs for us as per the different language. So here I have showing you an example which Swagger Code Generator use for Spring. So if you see here, there are some templates here which Swagger Code Generator replace in runtime to create API for us. So if I go back to our created API, customers API, and if I look for public interface, this word is here. So Swagger Code Generator sees public interface class name I need to use. So it's a older version, but we are in the newer version 2.4, so I will start going here. So it sees public interface class name, so this class name it replaces in the runtime from taking from the API definition. Also if I further see here API operation, so this value called summary or nickname, that's operation ID or nodes, all this data it try to extract from the API definition and replace this in this template. And after placing all this information in this template, Swagger Code Generator finally create this stuff for us. I can also show you API response. So how it has mapped API response from the API definition to this created stub. So if I look for here API definition, sorry, API response. So API response code, this code is coming from our Swagger definition. The message, this is also coming from Swagger definition. Then the base type, the response, base type dot class, if there is something if there is some response object here, so like that. So all these parameters Swagger Code Generator replaces in runtime by checking our API definition, and finally it generates an API stub like this for us. I showed you this because for our example I have changed a bit this templating engine as per our requirement, and it will be same for all the microservices we're going to implement in this tutorial. See you in next class.